A family of puma. These cubs are only 6 months old, entirely dependent on their mother for food. 2 meters tall and over 3 times the weight of a puma. The mother's only hope is to go for the throat and try to suffocate her prey. Her cubs try to help, but they themselves don't yet have the skills or the weight to bring down such large prey. And the mother is now badly injured. Her wounds are severe and will take weeks to heal properly. The weather in the Andes is harsh and unpredictable. Snow makes the camouflage on which she relies much less effective. Almost invisible in the shadows, she's nearly within pouncing distance. Another failure. She's got her speed back. Now she must hold on. But she's in the male's territory, so her prize isn't safe. And her hungry cubs are almost a mile away. In her weakened state, she will need all her reserves of energy to drag it back onto her territory. Only her determination to feed her young keeps her going. Nearly there. This one meal will barely last the whole family for more than a few days.